Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ServiceChannel maintenance app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ServiceChannel is a comprehensive maintenance management app designed to help businesses and facility managers streamline operations. The app enables users to create, track, and manage work orders, coordinate vendors, log inspections, and monitor facility performance in real time. With mobile access, automated notifications, and detailed reporting, ServiceChannel helps improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and maintain consistent service standards across multiple locations. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate ServiceChannel's organized interface and the way it centralizes maintenance tasks. Work orders can be assigned quickly, vendors can be managed efficiently, and the reporting tools provide insights into operational performance. Real-time notifications and mobile access allow teams to respond to issues faster, improving overall productivity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention a learning curve when configuring advanced workflows or integrating with existing systems. Additionally, while the app is feature-rich, subscription costs for full access to advanced tools may be high for smaller organizations. In summary, the ServiceChannel app may be worth using if you want to optimize maintenance workflows, enhance vendor management, and gain real-time insights into facility operations. However, if your maintenance needs are simple or cost is a major concern, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.